Task 21. 6-minute pot life. Handling time is an hour. Shake well. 2 parts of A to 1 part B by volume or weight. I think 1 cup will probably do the whole thing. Let's measure it out. Full can. Ooh. Watch it go from clear to black. Alright, let's see what we've got for the first ones. A lot of flesh to clean up, but that's where the vent hole was. Yeah, I wouldn't say that's very strong. I'm breaking the teeth off. It needs to be heat cured at 150 for 4 hours. So I need to bring my my little oven in here. Allow material to cure for 24 hours at room temperature before putting into service. Okay, so let's see then the parts that I broke open. See if they are still crunchy tomorrow. Well, here's the first set that I cast. Letting it cure overnight. It's definitely a lot stronger. I can't break the teeth off. I cast another set without the colorant to see if maybe that was causing an issue, and it is a lot stronger and it's flexible. It takes a lot of force to break it. So here's the set that I cast. Definitely not perfect. I messed around with it coming out of the mold. I broke some teeth off, but I heat cured these as suggested, and I can't break that gear. So I think I got a plan now. The fitment is precise. There's no air gap in there. It actually, there was grease on here. When I pushed it through, it wiped all the grease off. But that's how it goes on. And then we've got the gear for the worm drive. Once again, it's a tight fit, just like the original. Broke a couple of teeth off, but now it's strong. So I am going to cast another set with I'm not going to put coloring in it. There'll just be white gears, and I'm going to let it sit up completely in the mold for 24 hours, take it out, heat cure it in my toaster oven over there for 3 to 4 hours, let them cool, and then I'm going to reassemble the back motor lift with the set that I made. And then I'm going to set it all up and see what happens. Hopefully they don't break. One thing to note about this is there is a ball bearing, single ball bearing right here in the end of this. And that rides against that metal disc that was glued into the housing that I popped out accidentally. It rubs against, turns against that, spins against it. That's probably how the other one is too. I just didn't notice it. But I think it'll work. And I've got enough here probably to cast maybe 4 sets of gears, possibly 5. It takes one of these dipping cups to make both gears, which is not bad. So they shouldn't be too time consuming. I mean, I am going to have to clean them, unfortunately. I'm going to have to take a razor and sandpaper and clean up all the flash off the teeth. This side cast good because it was actually up completely covered in the silicone. I wish I could have done a split mold, but then there would have been flashing down inside the teeth right here all the way around, and that's worse. Harder to clean up. It's easier to clean up the edge right here. That's going to get wear anyway, so it will eventually smooth out based on the matching here, and that's pretty slow spin. Yeah, it's just going to slip off. I can't even. Let's see if I can break a tooth off. First real set coming up. That'll be in the next video.